and my dear viewers, how are you? I am fine. I hope everybody is fine and also in a good health. My name, I hope everybody know myself, but I say this again. My name is S.M. Shobit. I read in class 4 in Dinajpur Jilla School, and I say in this video a real life story. The story name is The Twins Brothers. Now, everybody think, what is the Twins Brothers? Who is Twins Brothers? So, Twins Brothers are their birth in same time, but some seconds. First Bob birth, and second some seconds, I think 35 seconds. Yes. Bob birth first, then Buck birth, 35 seconds later Buck birth, and their name is Bob and Buck. Bob health is so much good. He's fat from a child here, and Buck is like a stick. Buck is so much unhealthy and so much smooth and flat. And it's, I hope everybody watched the Motu Patlu cartoon show. I hope Indians, Bangladeshi, everybody. So everybody knows the Patlu name's character. Patlu is so much unhealthy and like a stick, like a fat stick, circle. And Buck is too. Buck looks like Patlu, and they are now 8 years old. When they are 8 years old, their mother is died by a accident, and their father too, because they are go to do and work, but bad lucky they are die by a accident. Now they are cry and they are very sad because their mother and father is dead. And some days later, 1 day later, government take a decision to Bob and Buck. They think we need to government think, I want to say government think we need to help them. They help Bob and Buck, and Bob and Buck is from a big family. Their father is a very big doctor. Their father is a very big doctor, and everybody of the town like them, their mother and their father, because they are very good doctor and they are very kindly. They help poor man's by operation them freely. They are operation poor man's free. Don't take any cash or don't take any money. And so this reason everybody like them. And then they are take a decision. mm, their mother and father help us very much. So we need to help them because it's a job. It's like our job. We need to help them. Then Bob and Buck is go to another house, and the house is Mother Teresa's. Everybody know who is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is a very kindly mom of everybody. And I don't know many things about Mother Teresa, but I want to make a video of Mother Teresa because she is very kindly woman. But Bob and Buck is some other type. When they are 5 years, they only see crime movies. In the movies, they see only some criminals attack on police, attack on a bank, and steal their money. And they are in 5 years, so they only think criminal is very good job for us. But they are only read, but they don't like. They do not like to read. When they are now 16 years old, they do a very big crime. They are killed some police officers, some guards and some police officers to stole a diamond. They stole the diamond and steal the diamond and go to criminals area. They are very small, but they are we are 16 years, and some small children, 7 years, 10 years, 8 years, and some big some old criminals. They are now 25 years old, and they are very dangerous criminal of the town. Everybody think, why we help them? We help them, but they are now hurt us. So it's our very big mistake in our life. Now Bob and Buck kills many officers, police officers, many powerful guards. They have powerful guns like AK-47, sniper, MK-14, etc. The guns are very powerful, but Bob and Buck is so much intelligent to steal the things. First, they steal a gold coin, because everybody knows they are now not very big to steal a very valuable diamond, but they stole a very valuable gold coin. The gold coin is 1 crore, but they are not safe. When they stole 3 valuable things, they stole the 3 valuable things in one day, and the day is January 15 तारीख 15 date. They are now very big criminals. They are sold. They still gold coin, Mona Lisa painting. I hope everybody know what is Mona Lisa's painting. Mona Lisa's painting is very valuable thing, but better than diamonds. Better than diamonds, because Mona Lisa painting is. I hope the Mona Lisa painting is 10 crore, 15 crore, but valuable than diamond, normal diamond, not a diamond. But everybody, I hope somebody knows, but I hope everybody know the Boss diamond. I hope everybody know the Boss diamond, about the Boss diamond. And the Boss diamond is very valuable. The Boss diamond. If any thief stole the Boss diamond, so he is very rich, because the diamond, the Boss diamond is not big than normal diamonds. Some big. A normal diamond, I hope this range, but the Boss diamond is that side, from here and here, and normal diamond is here to here, and the diamond is 15 crores. No, 50 crores. The three valuable things are now gone to museum, and I say that diamonds, the three valuable things are in a museum, and the museum name is, I don't say the museum name because I don't know very much what is the museum's name, but write in comment section what is the museum's name. It's your homework. Then there's still the three valuable things, and go to a old prison. The prison is very old, and the prison, if you bunch, if a bodybuilder who can broke normal bricks, the bricks are so much strong. If anybody can broke the bricks, normal bricks, so he can easily broke the old prison. But nobody can do it, because the old prison have many dangerous weapons. There is very dynamites and many guns, many revolvers. If anybody go to the prison, everybody think any dynamite can hurt any army man. If they call a army man and go, if they call an army man, some army men, and say go there and steal the diamonds, steal the three valuable things again, and keep it museum. So everybody think it's a G for a army team. But it's not easy, because what is the most dangerous thing? Everybody know. Gas. What is gas? Gas is very powerful than dynamite. If a gas canteen, if a gas container blast, so the blast can broke 5 buildings easily, because the gas power is very dangerous. And the most dangerous thing, they have a plasma weapon. They are intelligent and they read in school for 10 class. So, but they are reading on science. So they are make some they are make a gun, plasma weapon, make a gun, very powerful gun with iron and gas. Then Bob and Buck test the gun. Oh my God, the gun is very powerful. They can, the plasma weapon, I say it first gun, the gun can kill 10 elephants easily, because they live in a jungle, so there are many animals. They kill many animals easily, and also the Bigfoot. And I also make the video. I want to also make the video of Bigfoot, but it's another topic. They kill the Bigfoot and they think the gun is so much powerful. Then they call the gun plasma weapon. So every army man is afraid to know that the gun is so much powerful by make gas. If the gun can fire 5 times easily, the gun can fire 5 times easily, and the gun can break a tank easily. In my knowledge, I say it. But tank is very powerful. But the tank is broke. They are try to solve the 3 valuable things again and call armies, but fail. They are blast the tanks, every army man. Now they are failed. The 3 valuable things are not stolen only this time. It will be stolen first by a man, but I said I don't know the man, sir. So don't think. What is the man, sir, who helped the police officers to save them? So one day a thief find a letter. Not find. Yes. Find a letter in front his house. He read the letter and know that it's from police officers. It's from police officers. Police officers are right. Hello. I hope you are know who am I. But I say this again. I am the police officer who catch you one time, but you are avoided by some false words, and Adalat avoid to go you are avoid to go to jail, and Adalat avoid this too because they do not have any proof. You are so much smart, so I have many proof to catch you again, but if I hope you but I hope you know I am a very kindly officer, so I don't say false anytime. I give you one chance. If you steal the 3 valuable things again and keep the things again museum, so I will burn the papers, burn the evidence into ashes. So are you want to do the missions? Bob and Buck, the twins brothers, are very dangerous. They are very dangerous. They have a very dangerous weapon. But he said, if I say no, so jail, it's a bad choice. And if I say yes, so if I stole the diamonds, so stole the valuable things, so I will say. So he have a crowbar, and I say the thief story. First he go to roof on the prison and take a crowbar, and there is a small door, wooden window. He broke the wooden window by the crowbar and go to their house safely. Twins brothers. First he go, but he make a noise. But twins brothers think it's a normal noise. It's a normal noise. They don't say so. They do not do any response. But 1 minute later, again he make a noise. So Bob twins brothers are come and see. It's you fool. But many policers, many thieves go and want to do the mission and complete the mission, but they can't complete the mission. Bob kill them, and Bob have a weapon. The weapon is a very big hammer, and Buck have a electrical stick. If he touch anybody, so he will sleep 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then he play. He complete the work. First he attacked by Buck 2 times and Bob 4 times, and he is very weak because he is very hurt by Bob and Buck. So he is very weak and work some this time. But he collect the diamond at the last time, and he's happy go to main door and skip from the house. Now he complete the mission, and but before he skip, he kill Bob and Buck by the plasma weapon because they are very dangerous, and he stole the plasma weapon and he kept the plasma weapon to armies because it is very dangerous. If anybody go to the prison and steal the plasma weapon, so he is makes so much dangerous. So now he is free, and everybody is happy because he is doing a good thing. One time we want to keep him into prison, but he helped us. So government is now happy, and government give some medals and some prize for the thief. And I don't say he is a thief. Now I say he is a good man because he complete the mission and he forgive it to make a thief, because he forgave to make a thief because it is very bad work. He is very intelligent. Now he is a good job. He have a good job by government. It's the happy ending of the story, and it's a real story. And I hope everybody on thinks if we have a chance to do the mission again, so you can do the mission by a game, because a OV developer a game maker company. The company name is Developer. They are make a game. The game name is The Twins. Play it and enjoy, because the game is very fun, and I hope everybody happy. Everybody is enjoy my video and the real story of the Twins game. So thank you to spend your time with my story, and I hope I say play the game. It will be fun. Bye bye.